Okay.
Let me just tighten up your back.
Come on.
Okay, you're good.
Yeah, but
Now you can talk about the show.
okay, so wait, Dad, is it recording?
That's recording.
So okay, so today
Talk louder.
we're gonna go to the Syria show. I'm gonna be posting it on my gaming channel. But in the future, I may make a vlogging channel called Septic Vlogs. So wait for that. And we're gonna go in this huge boat right here. So let's go. So I don't know how to get there. So we're just gonna sort of walk.
It's only a matter of time.
We're gonna walk over here. And
We'll walk around.
I have a question.
Oh,
Can we go through here?
I'll ask in a minute.
Can we go through here?
No, you can't.
Okay.
Entrance
Yeah,
is
this
right
is
here,
one
right?
boats though. That's a small boat.
Relax. Oh yeah, there's that stroke there.
That's only a 20 footer though. We don't want the 20 footer, we want the 29. Oh, Dad, it's like the life rafts on Deadliest Catch. That's like one of the life rafts on Deadliest Catch.
Oh yeah, let's have a look.
Wait, no. Let's go look at the stripers.
Go ahead.
So yeah, we're gonna go look at the stripers. So right now we want to buy, well, we're not gonna buy anything, but we want a 29 footer, 20 foot walk around, 23. This is a 26 foot walk around striper. So just remove. Dad, you have to remove your shoes.
Even there, no one's gonna take it.
No, Dad, these are too expensive though. They're like $140 shoes. There's no way. So yeah, this thing has twin screw because it has that. Oh, hang on. Look, guys, if I turn it, see like the engine's turn. I won't. And yeah, this is the sleeping quarters of the boat. So if you come down here, you have that there. We have a pooper, well, place to go poop. And also this bed. Yeah, it's pretty comfortable. So yeah, have a burner right there. Not gonna turn that on because I don't know what it's gonna do. I'm gonna climb out now. I'm gonna put the shoes back on. And we're gonna go see these three boats right there. Now we're gonna go check the Boston Whalers out. So climb down here. Put my tailwind 8's back on. Well, Dad, I also got these shoes so I could just slip them on and that would stay.
Sure,
Just had to
good
say
idea.
it.
Make sure your stand is pointed up. Want me to tighten you up?
No, I'm good. So basically, this is a Boston. Yeah, but like this is a Boston Whaler. So we're gonna go up and see like. That's probably what you want. A 30 foot Conquest Boston Whaler. Wait, Dad, this is what you want. See, wait, Dad, come here. See this boat right here? Is that what you would want?
I don't think they even want you on there. They do have shoes on.
Yep.
You take your shoes off and leave your back and you can go on board all
Dad, can you please watch my shoes?
Don't worry about it.
Dad, this is such a good wheelhouse. 3. So Dad, it has 2 throttles, so the middle engine is basically useless. It's just for speed. Dad, the cabin is so cool. Like, the cabin is like luxury. Oh shit, man. Oh, why? Yo, guys. This is luxury. This is luxury.
Holy
Look,
cow. Guess how much this boat costs?
How?
$1 million.
Well, we should do. Why don't we just sell our house on Wallace and buy this?
Come on, let's go. We got a lot of boats to see.
This is really comfortable. And then, like, there's a back cabin there, but adults can't get into it.
Yeah, there's a lot of boats to see. Pretty nice though. This nice little kitchen.
Wow, this boat is amazing.
Okay, let's leave our shoes right here.
I'm gonna go walk around to the bow.
Hey, Jack.
I didn't listen to my dad for a second. I don't know why. I wanted to see the bow. Wow. Come. I gotta go. Okay, so see the 28 footer, this is about how big we want our boat, so we're gonna check the 28 foot pilot. Wait, Doug, can you come inside with me on the 28? Okay. Okay. So, this is about the size of a boat we would need for our family.
Yeah, it's a nice boat.
This big, Bieber up there.
Yeah.
But Dad, if you can you come in here? I want to show you something.
Oh, look here, okay?
Look, see, there's a back cabin.
I know, all the underneath. Look at that, a full shower and toilet.
Let me see if
Pretty awesome.
there's actually no shower. Wait, is that a shower?
Yeah, I'm sure it's got it. Okay, climb out of there. We got a lot of boats to see. I want to have just a quick read.
How much is this boat, do you think?
I don't know, it's probably 600.
1,000?
That was a little more palatable, eh?
Yeah, I like that.
What price?
There's the price. Okay, so if you put down 40,000, it costs you $2,300 a month in taxes. So
I had a few waves come over the front of mine and run through that. And I just
you can have a look at that one.
yeah, I really like that boat. You know, it's a big lake. Yeah,
I-
exactly. Yeah.
I have a question.
Yes.
How much of an upgrade do you think the 31-foot Conquest
When you're
is?
looking that way, sir.
How much do you think a upgrade of a 31-foot Conquest is than a 28-footer?
How much of an upgrade?
Yeah,
Oh,
like
well,
is
you
it
just look at the
bit,
price.
quite a bit bigger or quite a bit smaller? So quite a bit. That's insanely awesome. Well, there's a bigger bathroom, bigger everything. This is bigger. This is the GoPro, so yeah. Yeah, we may as well just carry our shoes because
We'll be all right.
we have to take our shoes off on all the boats. So
I'm just gonna leave my name.
tuck your laces in? Yeah. Why not?
Let's take a look.
And these are. What one do you want to look at next? There's Grady White over there. Yeah, can we just check out Sea Ray? A Vantage? How much is it? It's a bit more reasonable.
I don't know if you know how long that thing the show's got.
It had like a 23-foot polar. That's pretty big. Like that, you know that 23-foot polar? That's a pretty big boat.
No one talks.
Like a 23-footer's bigger than we thought it was.
Well, you know what? Though, when it's in the water, it's smaller.
Oh, Dad, this is the best ski boat on the market. See this?
Neat, eh? It's
Best.
like driving a rocket.
It's called Heady.
They might feel like
Hey, Dad, can we go check out It's 29-foot Siri, just to see how that would feel.
Let's go up here and have a look at these ones.
But that's a 28-foot Siri. That's a big boat for one
I don't
screw.
know if that's it is a Siri. Let's go up and have a look at that.
Yeah, but let's look at the Siri because like a 29-foot Siri is only a foot longer, but it has 2 screws. Yeah, but I'd like to move.
These are those ideal boats of export.
If you can see everything on board, we'll try to
I can't
avoid-
see everything on board this one. No, but Dad, like this is like Dad, you know how you said you want a 29-foot trophy? Let's just look at one of these for a family, like a 28-footer. Okay.
I can sort of get the gist of it from here.
I'm gonna go on. Relax. 1 screw. Dad, how many screws? How many engines?
I don't know.
1.
One big one.
Whoa. Yo, so guys, this is a pretty big boat. Oh, sick. Poopy. That's where we get food. Oh, yeah. Sister. Whoa. How much of a beam?
8'10".
Yeah, because a boat this size is the right
Well, you
size.
don't get a lot of boats much wider than that because of the size of the wheels and stuff, right?
I know what you mean. But
Camera off real bit because we got a lot to do. So hold on.